Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary. We're talking about 4 AI money hacks that sound almost too good to be true but are completely legal and, more importantly, ready for you to implement right now to boost your income. We're leveraging powerful, accessible tools like Nano and Gemini to unlock these opportunities. Are you ready to discover how AI can transform your financial landscape?
Absolutely. Kicking us off with hack number 1, which is a fantastic blend of creativity and e-commerce, custom t-shirt design. Imagine this. You have a favorite t-shirt, maybe with a beloved graphic, and you want to turn that concept into something that sells. You snap a photo, upload it to Nano, and with a simple prompt, the AI instantly transforms its design into a viral, trending masterpiece. You can customize colors, refine styles, and essentially create a market-ready design in minutes. It's truly a game changer for anyone looking to enter the print-on-demand space without needing advanced design skills.
And the beauty of this hack extends to its monetization. Once your AI perfected design is ready, you can seamlessly integrate it with leading print-on-demand services like Printify. This platform allows you to choose from a vast array of trending t-shirt styles, use their intuitive tools to remove backgrounds from your AI image, and then easily create different color variants and even mock-ups. With just a few clicks, you can publish these designs, and just like that, you have a whole new product line available to sell globally, reaching customers without handling inventory or shipping. It's an incredibly efficient and scalable business model.
Next up, hack number 2. Offering AI-powered interior design services. This addresses a huge market need. Think about all those homeowners and renters who struggle to envision their dream spaces or simply lack the time and expertise for a redesign. You can become their go-to expert using AI. Simply take a photo of a client's living room, kitchen, bedroom, or any space they want to transform, input their desired aesthetic, and watch as the AI generates stunning, unique renovation and redesign concepts. You can then charge clients per AI-generated photo, providing professional-grade design options quickly and affordably. It's a high-demand service with incredible profit potential.
Third hack is pure gold for content creators and social media enthusiasts, creating viral AI-generated images for passive income. We've seen firsthand how these captivating images can absolutely dominate platforms like Facebook. I'm talking millions of views. My own proof shows one image alone amassed 24 million views in a single month. And the most incredible part? The vast majority of those views and the significant income generated came directly from these AI-generated visuals. We're talking individual images bringing in over $100 each from ad revenue or engagement. It's about tapping into what truly resonates visually and letting AI do the heavy lifting for consistent, viral content creation. So there you have it.
And finally, hack number 4. Developing small, highly digestible online courses about specific AI tools like Nano. In this digital age, people are absolutely hungry to learn these powerful new skills. The beauty is, you don't need to be an expert to teach. You can leverage other AI tools like Gemini to help you structure, outline, and even generate core content for these micro courses. Think short, practical guides like Nano for creative beginners or Quick Start Guide to AI image generation. It's a fantastic way to share valuable knowledge, build a community, and establish a recurring income stream that truly helps others.
Have it. 4 revolutionary AI money hacks that are not only legal but incredibly effective in today's digital economy. From launching your own print-on-demand empire to becoming an AI-powered interior designer, creating viral content, or educating the next wave of AI users, the opportunities are truly limitless. If you're ready to take the next step and want a full, in-depth, step-by-step tutorial on how to implement each of these 4 money hacks, make sure to drop a comment below and type Nano. Don't just watch, start earning.